Sixth, a detailed framework to assess educational business development opportunities. In terms of team and expertise, to be made up of. Founding team. Assess the team's skills, experience, and dedication behind the venture. External experts. Identify if there's a need for external educators, consultants, or experts and the availability of such professionals. Building a strong team is crucial for the success of any educational venture. Here are the key considerations in this area. Let's look at identifying key areas of founding team. Founding team, to be made up of. Skills assessment. Evaluate the skills and competencies of the team members. This includes educational expertise and skills in business management, technology, marketing, and other relevant areas. Experience. Consider the professional backgrounds of team members. Experience in education, business development, technology, or specific subject matter expertise can be invaluable. Dedication and vision. The commitment of the founding team to the venture's mission and vision is crucial. This includes their willingness to invest time, resources, and energy into the venture's growth and adaptability to changing educational landscapes. And the key areas of external experts. To be made up of. Need for specialized expertise. Determine if gaps in your team's expertise need to be filled. This could include curriculum development, pedagogical strategies, technology implementation, legal compliance, or business strategy. Availability of professionals. Explore the availability of external educators, consultants, or subject matter experts who can contribute. This might involve hiring guest lecturers, collaborating with academic researchers, or engaging with experienced consultants. Collaboration models. Consider different models of collaboration with these external experts. This could be temporary consultancy, long-term partnerships, advisory roles, or contractual work. In summary, the strength of the team and the expertise they bring to the table are foundational to the success of an educational venture. A well-rounded team with a blend of scholarly, technical, and business skills, supplemented by external expertise as needed, can drive the venture towards achieving its goals and significantly impact the academic field. Seventh, a detailed framework to assess educational business development opportunities. In terms of sustainability and scalability, to be made up of. Long-term vision. Understand the venture's long-term goals and how it plans to sustain itself beyond the initial phases. Expansion opportunities. Identify potential areas or markets for growth and the feasibility of such expansion. Sustainability and scalability are crucial for the long-term success of any educational venture. Here's how to approach these aspects. Let's look at identifying key areas of long-term vision. Long-term vision. To be made up of. Understanding future goals. Clearly define the long-term objectives of your venture. This includes financial goals, educational impact, market presence, and innovation. Sustaining beyond initial phases. Develop a strategy to maintain momentum after the initial launch and growth phases. This involves diversifying revenue streams, building a loyal customer base, and continuously improving your offerings. Adaptability and evolution. Ensure that your venture can adapt to changes in the educational landscape, technological advancements, and evolving market demands. This requires ongoing research, feedback mechanisms, and a willingness to pivot strategies. And the key areas of expansion opportunities. To be made up of. Identifying growth areas. Look for potential areas or markets for expansion. This could include new geographical regions, different educational levels or disciplines, online platforms, or diversifying into related educational services. Feasibility of expansion. Assess the feasibility of these expansion opportunities. Consider factors like market demand, competition, cultural and regulatory differences, especially for geographical expansion, and the resources required for such growth. Scalable business model. Your business model should be scalable, accommodating growth without a proportional cost increase. This might involve automating certain processes, developing scalable content, like online courses that can reach a global audience, and building partnerships and networks to facilitate expansion. In summary, for an educational venture to be sustainable and scalable, it needs a clear long-term vision, a strategy for maintaining relevance and competitiveness, and a plan for feasible expansion into new markets or areas. This strategic approach ensures that the venture survives beyond its initial phases and thrives and grows in the long term. Eighth, a detailed framework to assess educational business development opportunities. In terms of stakeholder feedback, to be made up of pilot programs. Before a full launch, consider running pilot programs to gather direct feedback from the target audience. Surveys and market research. Conduct surveys or research to understand potential users' perceptions, needs, and reservations. Gathering stakeholder feedback is a critical step in developing and refining an educational venture. Here's how to effectively approach this. Let's look at identifying key areas of pilot programs. Pilot programs. To be made up of purpose of pilots. Use pilot programs to test your educational product or service with a smaller, controlled group before a full-scale launch. This can provide invaluable insights into how the target audience receives it. Gathering direct feedback. Encourage participants in the pilot to give detailed feedback on various aspects such as content quality, usability, effectiveness, and overall experience. Iterative improvements. Use the feedback from these pilots to make necessary adjustments. This iterative process can significantly enhance the quality and appeal of your offering. And the key areas of surveys and market research. To be made up of understanding user perceptions. Surveys can effectively gauge potential users' opinions, preferences, and expectations. This can include perceptions about your specific product or service and broader educational needs and trends. Identifying needs and reservations. Through surveys and market research, you can uncover the specific needs, challenges, and reservations of your target audience. This helps in tailoring your offering to meet these needs better. Broader market insights. Market research extends beyond just surveys. It can involve analyzing industry trends, competitor offerings, and broader educational shifts, providing a comprehensive understanding of the market landscape. In summary, stakeholder feedback through pilot programs and surveys market research is essential for validating your educational venture and ensuring it meets the needs and expectations of your target audience. This feedback loop helps continuously refine your offering, making it more relevant, effective, and competitive in the market. Continue to video 4.